It's finally time for the annual family reunion. So, pack the car, wear your special shirts, and head to St. Joe. The whole family will be there, just waiting to get reacquainted. Consider yourself cordially invited. Some would say this is just a patch of grass. They don't understand why it's special, or why some would do anything just to get close to it. But here in the kingdom, this is not some ordinary piece of turf. This is hallowed ground. You don't need a calendar to tell you that it's Friday in Chiefs Kingdom. It just feels different than the other days, like there's something in the air, and you want to be a part of it. So get yourself ready, because on Friday, we paint the town red.
How to Red Friday in 3 easy steps. 1. Don your Chiefs gear. 2. Donate $4 to Ronald McDonald House Charities of Kansas City for your Chiefs Kingdom flag. 3. Cap off the perfect Red Friday with the official Chiefs pep rally at Union Station, featuring players, fireworks, and more. Around here, game day starts on Red Friday.
On special nights, you can see them burning from miles away. An unmistakable signal to everyone in the kingdom that the stage is set for one of the biggest nights in sports. And it's time for us to shine. These are the lights of Arrowhead, and they're calling you home.